Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't swipe. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone won't swipe the screen like before. I don't recall doing anything strange with the phone, but the Android phone screen won't swipe. I need someone to help me fix this. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. Don't panic if you want to know your Android phone isn't swiping. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. External factors. The solution is to remove the phone case or screen protector. Thick phone cases or poorly fitting screen protectors can interfere with edge swiping on Android devices. The inability to swipe on an Android phone screen is likely caused by these devices. To troubleshoot this issue, remove them and see if swiping works normally. Cause 2. Temporary issue. The solution is to restart. When an Android phone experiences a temporary issue, it can also affect swiping and cause the inability to swipe. The best way to resolve this is to restart the device. A restarted Android device will run optimally, and you won't lose any data. Please try it with confidence. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, then tap the restart icon on the phone screen. The Android phone will then restart, and your device will reopen to the home screen. If the issue was temporary and causing the Android phone is not letting me swipe problem, then the problem is fixed. Cause 3. App conflict. The solution is to check for malicious apps. If the swipe is not working on Android phone, problem occurs after you downloaded a third-party app, then that app may be causing the problem. To check if it's a third-party app issue, try entering safe mode. Safe mode only runs pre-installed system apps and no third-party applications. If your Android phone functions normally in safe mode, then an application is causing the cannot swipe screen on Android phone. Error. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Power off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and volume up button until recovery mode appears. In the menu options, use the volume and power buttons to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If your Android phone functions normally in safe mode, the problem is caused by an application. Locate the problematic application and delete it. Afterward, press and hold the power button and tap the reboot button to restart your phone in normal mode. Cause 4. Operating system issue. The solution is to update your operating system. When the screen swipe is not responding on Android phone, problem occurs. Android developers may have already discovered it. They may have resolved the issue and released a new operating system update. In this case, updating your operating system will resolve the Android phone swipe is not working problem. Please follow these steps to update your operating system. Open your phone's settings, then scroll down and tap the System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download it. After downloading the update, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After the update is complete, your Android phone will power off and then restart. Finally, check again to see if the swiping issue persists. Cause 5. Screen or sensor malfunction. The solution is to further investigate. The above solutions can help you resolve Android phone will not wipe issues caused by external devices and software. However, if the problem lies with the screen or sensors, you cannot fix it yourself. We recommend taking your phone to the nearest official service center for further inspection and repair of the screen is stuck and I cannot swipe it to get it to move problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android screen is not responding to my fingers to swipe, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.